Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
I am Jessie Lumiran, 31 years old. I am married with two children, ages 7 and 5. I am Pentecostal religion. I am the oldest in the family. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Bachelor in Science.
Okay.
Agriculture in Pinanahan, husband.
How old your kids? How old your kids?
7 and 5.
The 7 is boy or girl?
Both girl.
Both girls. Who will look for them if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband and my parents, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your position in the family?
I am the eldest, ma'am.
Eldest. You're a college graduate.
Yes, ma'am.
How long you studied in college before?
4 years, ma'am.
Have you ever worked abroad?
No, ma'am.
So this is your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience before as a helper
Yes, ma'am.
in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
3,
Who are the 3 members?
a couple and a kid.
How old the child?
6-year-old.
And what did you do as a helper?
I do cooking, washing dishes, clothes, marketing, and looking after the kid.
How do you take care of the kid here? How do you take care of him?
I prepare the food. I accompany him in the school.
Okay, you go to market, right?
Yes.
How often you do marketing?
Once or twice a week.
So you go alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
I'm very willing.
Okay. You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my family and for my future.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Focus and pray.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing also to accept job order there is a grandparent staying in the house? Like your employer's parents, is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to finish my contract.
Will you promise to do also your duties as a helper?
I promise to do my duties as a helper. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. HL 2243.